Good day! Asa na ba yung kasama ko?
Hindi ko inisip na mawawala. Over naman sa sing.
Over naman sa sing. Tara na, game na.
Good day everyone, I am SMT Marcela.
And I am SMT Lee, and we will be having another episode of Lakbay Panginay! Today, we will be asking representatives from 12 different clubs about their experience from the first club meeting this school year 2025 to 2026. Ready ka na ba?
Syempre naman, ready na.
Tara na!
I'm Zion Nunez, the president of Avenir.
And I'm Loving Villanueva, ang Vice President of Avenir.
I am Mona, the president of Hirayas Writers Club.
I'm Sab, SC team leader of Hirayas Writers Guild.
So my name is Sam Emonios and I am from Tarong Club and I am the head of creatives in our club.
Kobe Gabriel Lim.
Hello, my name is Daphne Fritz Santuya and we are from Kinaiya Performing Arts.
My name is Jace De La Cruz and I'm from Lahayag Club.
Hi, I'm Francis Gabriel Adres Reyes, the club president of Club Panilag.
Gian Victoria from the Club of Volcor and I'm the president.
Denzel Fabreyag po, a member of Volcor.
So Isaiah Paulus Elaba and I'm from Talagay po.
I'm Andrew Vigna from the Talagay Club. I'm Justin Paul A. D. Guzman from Sipiacos.
And I am John Paul Larazan. I am the president of the Sipiacos.
I'm Vinish De Guzman. I am from Meraki Club.
I am Jewel Abad from Meraki. I'm the vice president.
Hi everyone, I am Atasha. I am the president of SDG.
Hi everyone, I'm Ezra Mesias. I'm the Vice President of SDG Dance Club.
Hi, I'm Aza Sibalid. I'm from Panginai.
Hi, I'm John Darius Vito and I'm from Panginay Club.
For me, inspiring kasi sa club namin is hindi lang siya parang for talent na kapag nag-join ka kasi sa club namin or member ka na nun is parang hindi ka lang magsistay sa kung anong meron ka ngayon. Magiging parang may inspire ka pa sa mga advisor or mga nagtuturo or mga kung anong ginagawa namin sa club kasi hindi lang naman music yung pinag-aano namin sa club namin. Nag-aano din kami na hindi lang dapat magstay ka sa kung anong meron ka ngayon. Dapat mag-grow ka pa ng mag-grow. Parang ginagamit namin yung club namin as inspiration para mas mag-grow ka. Hindi lang sa talent mo, pati sa personality mo or sa sarili mo.
I will describe it po as innovator. So, yun talaga po is known for Innovators Club po. So, alam ko po na yung club namin is full of potential and gagawa po kami ng purpose namin na may connect po sa core values ng God and for country po.
For me is techie. Tech literate kasi since our club is introduce a lot of tech-related activities, knowledge, and ayun, hindi lang kayo magkakaroon ng knowledge about sa technology, but also nagkakaroon din kayo ng knowledge when it comes to esports, content creations, and etc.
If I would describe my club in one word, it would be amazing. Kasi ang gagaling talaga nila, marami silang nasasuggest na pwede namin gawin throughout the school year. And bukod pa doon, marami din silang alam sa tech. So, sobrang fitting talaga nila sa club namin. Ang dami nila nasasuggest, alimbawa na lang sa mga output, yung mga monthly output na pwede namin gawin, yung ipopost namin, halimbawa, mga tutorial videos, mga gaming video tutorials, about sa coding, nas ganon. Because, ayun talaga, sobrang amazing ng club namin this year. So, I am very grateful for that.
Siguro, masterpiece. Kasi, dahil yung talent namin galing kay Lord, and yung talent na yon
ginagamit namin to glorify Him and to make a masterpiece.
Actually, my first impression sa club members is the same as my expectation. And I expect these people to be full of love, and that love is, they will be able to share that love through writing. And I expect the whole school year with Hiraya to be productive po and so much fun.
My first impression po sa Lahayag is, siguro po, nakikita ko rin po yung mga officers nila is, I thought po is, sobrang professional po nila and kailangan po skilled ka po agad kapag na-join ka po sa club nila. Yun naman po, yun lang po. Tapos yung expectation ko naman po sa mga upcoming future projects po ng Lahayag is, makakapag-game po ako ng mga bagong kaalaman sa kanila kasi mga past experience din po nila is galing po sila sa mga remarkable at notable na schools. Saka sa tingin ko rin po mga professional din po talaga sila. Saka dahil po doon is makakapag-gain po ako ng knowledge which is may improve din po yung mga skills ko sa pag-take po ng shot.
Well, my first impression is definitely it's a lot lively. You know, it's my heart. Parang, uy, maraming tao dito na same passion as me. So it really brings a joy or a smile in my face. And my expectations for the club, definitely I would be seeing a lot of work. I'd be seeing a lot of activities that would improve my performance skills in theater arts.
So my first impression for our club, Kinaiya Theater, it was really lively and there were a lot of extroverts, and of course the goal of our club is to boost the confidence of our fellow members and as well to do a lot of outputs such as short films and yun.
Ang first impression ko po, sobrang excited mo, masaya po sa club po, and expectation ko naman po is more activity pa po ang magaganap po, hindi lang po sa club and sa school din po.
So, if I would rate my experience in the first club meeting, it is 10/10. Kasi po, sobrang nakaka-overwhelm siya for me in a positive way. Kasi, syempre, kakagaling lang natin sa bagyo and yung time na to is adjusting period pa siya. And so, marami talagang parang hectic na schedule sa mga students. Pero, nakita natin na sobrang devoted talaga ng bawat isa. Simula sa mga advisors, sa mga officers, and even sa mga members. Kasi, they tried their best to show up even in times like this na sobrang daming responsibilities followed by the UPCAT pa. So, makita mo na lahat ng mga nasa posisyon ngayon, lahat ng mga taong napili para mapunta sa lugar na to is hindi talaga sila nagkamali na sila yung na-appoint dito kasi makita mo na sobrang responsible sila and committed sila sa ginagawa nila and they are very, very passionate about what they're doing. So yun, nakaka-inspire na makita na ganito yung mga taong nasa-surround sa atin.
Kung i-rate ko man po yung first meeting namin, I'd say 10. No joke po, I think na-exceed po ng Volcor yung expectations ko kasi I thought na medyo serious po yung club. Pero ayun po, masaya naman po siya and I invite everyone next year. I invite everyone next year po to join it. I-rate ko siya ng 10 kasi naging happy talaga yung club namin. Especially, nagkaroon kami ng visitors, nagkaroon kami ng mga tag dito. Nakilala nila yung mga seniors nila and so super happy din ako na nakita ko ulit sila. And yung mga member naman namin is naging happy sila sa mga designs and giving ng candy. So ayun, marirate ko siya ng 10 kasi nakita ko nag-enjoy talaga lahat.
I would rate it 10 out of 10 kasi I can see na kanina very nag-enjoy yung new members namin and nakikita ko sa kanila na excited din sila and eager sila mag-learn and mag-grow sa pagiging dancer. Ayun, I can see na very passionate and nakikita ko din na magiging successful ang year na to for SH.
So, hi Hirayans! I am grateful for all of you and you are chosen. So, sana matupad natin yung meaning ng Hiraya which is hope or may our dreams come true. And I am looking forward to a great school year with you all.
Short message ko lang sa club namin is
be expecting. Sobrang daming nakaplano. And shoutout kay Sir Daniel na napaka hands-on na advisor. And talagang ang daming balak ngayong school year, ang daming matututunan, ang daming makukuhang lessons, ang daming magiging masasayang experience. So, ayun, be expecting lang.
My short message for my club members is for them to have an experience they will never forget, but also to guide and cater the grade 11 students since they are the next generation of leaders and club officers of the club. And also for them to enjoy the full experience of GFA.
Maybe never lose to try to reach beyond our limits. Since lalo na ngayon, bago pa lang or first club day, so I know yung fire ng mga taga-Talaghay is medyo malakas pa. But I know eventually mag-fade siya. Pero ayun, as much as we can, we will make that fire more larger.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa mga Volker babies ko is wag silang kabahan sa pag-lead ng mga group sa mga students since kami yung may authority at the same time. We should spread kindness then with everyone.
So I want my Meraki members to take pride of being an artist, of being a Meraki member, since being an artist is hard and takes patience and effort. So I want them to be proud of who they are and what club they are in. Sana kapag kunyari napapagod na sila or nababurn out na sa pagiging artist or maraming task, sana hindi sila mag-quit and parang mag-ask sila ng help sa amin para matulungan namin sila and ma-maintain yung healthy environment between members.
Hi, Panginayin! I'm very much excited to bond with you all and especially sa mga upcoming events and activities na gagawin natin together.